Water heater repair. Paynesville. All in all, the cost of a water heater repair service is dependent on the issue and a professional's assessment of how to repair it. The cost of a water heater repair can also depend on the homeowner's type in their home. A solar panel-fueled heater repair, for example, may require more specialized parts to fix and cost more than a gas water heater repair. The general rule of thumb is that water heater repair is going to cost 50% or more of the replacement. Common water heater issues. A plumber can fix the average traditional tank-type water heater can last between 8 and 12 years. During this time, issues may arise in the unit that need to be addressed by a professional. Common problems a plumber can fix include temperature issues. If the water in a home is not warming up or the water is too hot, a plumber can troubleshoot to ensure there's not an issue with the power, heating element, or thermostat. Leaks, discrepancies in water pressure, an overheated unit, or a damaged gasket are a few of the sources for leaks in a water heater. Plumbers address these issues by replacing the faulty gasket or finding the leak source and taking appropriate action for repair. Running out of hot water. A plumber will see if both heating elements within the unit are correctly working and work to restore the hot water. Do I need a water heater repair? It may be challenging to determine if a water heater repair is necessary. However, some issues may constitute an emergency or require a replacement of the unit. Emergencies. Emergency water heater repairs could be required for heavy leaks, as they could cause serious damage to the home if left unaddressed. Furthermore, water pooling at the bottom of the tank can also cause corrosion and further harm the unit. Homeowners should call their local plumber immediately to mitigate any damage. In the meantime, it's essential to find the source of the leak and see if it's possible to tighten any loose connections. Be sure not to attempt to pull out or replace any parts without the assistance of a professional. Move any appliances out of the way and cordon off the area so no pets or children slip and fall in the water. Not having access to hot water is an emergency situation that may require the help of a water heater service. Homeowners can troubleshoot the problem themselves while waiting for a hot water heater repair by tripping the circuit breaker to see if there's a problem with the unit's power. Additionally, check to see if the thermostat has proper access to power and turn the power switches off and then back on again. Non-emergencies. The homeowner can treat some non-emergencies from a water heater, but certain issues require a professional's assistance. For example, if the water from the water heater is not getting hot enough, the unit may be on its way to losing hot water or having issues with its heating elements. Depending on the type of water heater unit, the technician or plumber should be able to determine if there is a cross-connection. It is normal for a water heater to make small, quiet noises. However, if there are loud bangs or popping noises coming from the water heater, more profound issues may require professional attention. While it may seem as though the water heater is bursting, banging noises are usually just mineral deposits building up inside the tanks and heating elements. A repair technician can remedy the issue by cleaning the inside of the water heater and flushing the water out. It can be challenging to determine when it's time to replace a water heater. First, consider the age of the water heater. If a water heater is older or getting to the age of 12 years, it may be time to replace it. Over time, gas bills may go up because of the water heater's inability to keep the water hot with wear and tear. It may be cost-efficient, then, to replace the water heater. Other hazards may signal it's time to change a water heater. For example, water discoloration is usually caused by the buildup of rust and sediments in the unit, posing health hazards to household members and compromising the cleaning ability of washing machines and dishwashers. While the unit can be cleaned, the water flushed, and the unit's anode rod replaced, some units are beyond repair and must be replaced for safer water consumption. One general rule of thumb is that if you need frequent repairs or if repairs are costing more than a new unit would cost, it's time for full replacement. DIY vs. hiring a plumber. While leaks, temperature issues, and water discoloration may be alarming, homeowners have options to repair the issues. Homeowners can take a DIY approach by ensuring there are no loose bolts or holes within the unit as well as restarting the water heater's power source. Q. What are the most common problems with water heaters? Water leakages are one of the most common problems homeowners face with their water heaters. As the tank ages, it can create tiny cracks within the unit that can contribute to leaks along the sides of the tank. However, water coming out of the top of the unit can be a sign of a loose connection. Find trusted